Well, hello and welcome to another video here on Humble Unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing this Screen Pro or Glass Screen Pro premium tempered. Well, is it tempered glass for the MacBook Air and MacBook Pro 13-inch? Yeah, most likely if you have found the product, that's like why you were searching for this. So I hope you found this video well, and let's get into it. I already had to open like here on the side because it's like sealed, and I wouldn't be able to open with like one hand or with a knife in my hand. So I already went ahead and did that, and you can see down here it says high rigidity. Never heard of that word. High rigidity defense friction explosion proof efficiently. Oleophobic function is like no water, or and then the rest here I can't read, and then it says anti-fingerprint, so that's nice. On the back side it's a little manual on how to do that. Wipe your screen and then take off the glass, put it on, and then lift it away. Pretty like well described in English. All right, let's open it up. Here we go. That's what this looks like. Oh, and then okay, so this is the glass, the tempered glass, like very rubbery, but let's not shake it too much. And then here we have the little wipes to remove excess dirt, and number 2 is removes excess dirt as well. Okay, wet. Oh, this one is wet and the other one is dry. There's a little teeny tiny wipes in there, and then it says here dust absorber, and those 2 sticks are part of the manual that you're gonna be using. Well, it's almost falling out already, so let's get it out a little bit, but let's not put our fingerprints on there. But so this is what it looks like. I hope you can see it a little bit. Yeah, all right. Well, that was it for this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and I'll see you another day. Enjoy. Bye bye.